Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Back working on our Chrysler Pacifica. And in the event that your key fob is not being detected, in other words, you go to start the engine and it says key fob not detected, and you have your key fob, we're going to show you how to start the engine. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, inside the garage, we've got a 91 Z24 Cavalier, and that might be a fun project. However, in this video, 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. And it is cold, rainy, icy, snowy. All of the above. That's just that time of year. And again, in the event that your key fob is not being detected, but you have it in hand, we are going to show you how to start your engine with a hidden feature within that key fob and electrical system of your vehicle. DIYers, here we are inside our Chrysler Pacifica, and what I have done next was actually separate completely the key fob. As you can see, left-hand side is the larger or bulkier side of the key fob that houses the battery. And I've got the battery removed. I've removed the key, as you see there, and then the back panel or cover. And as you can see, there are no electrical leads on this portion of the cover. And again, I'm going to show you a hidden feature within your key fob as well as your onboard electrical system that will allow you to start your engine when the key fob is not being detected. And in most cases, that can be stressful because you might be in a pinch and needing to get the engine started so you can get home. So again, let's get right to it. A couple things that can cause this is most commonly a dead battery. So in the event that you have a dead battery and your key fob is with you and basically this close to the instrument cluster or the start-stop push button, it just doesn't have the frequency to communicate with the onboard computer and it is not being detected. But again, you have it. In addition, the second thing that can happen is the actual key fob completely malfunctions, and that is not good. And if that happens, down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase an OEM key fob exactly like this. And again, on the back side, completely open and the battery is removed. So if I unlock or lock, even push and hold the door to be opened, as well as push and hold the auto start or remote start, nothing. And what I'm going to do is set that back and give you a close-up view of the instrument cluster as I press on the brake and push the engine start stop push button right there. You will notice I can't start the engine. I'll do that right now. And there it is, key fob not detected. And that's exactly what you are experiencing. Again, a dead key fob, whether the key fob itself is completely dead and malfunction or you just have a dead battery. What you want to do next, come down here, make sure all of your doors are closed and some friendly pressure on the brake pedal. Not too hard, but not too light, just some friendly pressure. Simultaneously as you do that, come up to your engine start stop push button and grab your key fob, and the top tip portion of your key fob, what you want to do is carefully place it against the engine start stop push button and push it in. Do your best not to gouge, scrape, or damage the push button. You don't want long lasting scars or scrapes on the push button from this procedure. And again, holding that brake pedal and using the top tip of your key fob, press and hold the engine start stop push button until the engine starts. And there is a hidden frequency feature inside this key fob that will activate without the battery, or your key fob has completely malfunctioned, as shown here. Again, completely dead. I will set that back right there. And you can see we just started our engine with the key fob not even detected. And if I grab the key fob again and try to unlock anything or lock or turn the engine off or open up the doors, nothing. This key fob, again, no battery, completely dead. However, the hidden feature was allowed to send the frequency through that start stop push button to start your engine. And from here, get home safely or to the event that you need to get to. And if you have to perform this engine start procedure with the hidden key fob procedure again today, hey, no problem, do that. However, get that battery replaced. And DIYers, scrolling above as well as down below in the comments and description will be a link on how to properly and safely replace the battery in your key fob. There's a right way to do that, there's a wrong way to do that. And if you do it the wrong way, guess what? You will break your key fob. And that is not what we want. That's probably not what you want. So again, we wanted to show you that or share that with you. In addition, if you've got locked brakes and you cannot move the vehicle, even after starting the engine and putting it in drive, with your transmission selector knob there. We will have a common cause video down below in the comments and description on that. That is a whole different procedure. However, we have you covered, and hopefully that will help if that is what you are experiencing. And DIYers, that is it. We hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And what I will do now is come down here and just turn off the engine. As you see right there. And if I try it again, push the brake, start the engine. Key fob not detected. Check that out. I will actually have to re-perform that procedure I just showed you to get the engine started again. However, we are just going to install a brand new battery. Thanks again for watching.